The PA Industries LC-390673 is a proximity sensor system used for keeping tension on a reel system. This unit came to us with a bad RF sensor, and after a full rebuild, we could get the sensor to activate. The video shows the wand being moved and closing the sensor, which is not the usual method of use as the sensor is mounted around a material, and as the material drops, the sensor can detect and then speed up or slow down the attached motor that controls the reel. ERD has repaired many of these proximity sensors, along with the related tension and dancer controls found whenever a reel of material is being coiled or uncoiled. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.